एवरीडे साइंस के सिलसिले में ये पार्ट 7 है एमसीक्यूज़ का। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इस वीडियो में, मैक्स प्लैंक रिसीव्ड द नोबेल प्राइज इन फिजिक्स इन 1918 ऑफ हिज डिस्कवरी ऑफ। इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, एनर्जी क्वांटा। Next question, bronze medal is made up of metals. Its answer is option B, copper and tin. B is correct. Next question is, Addison disease is caused by the deficiency of, and its answer is option D. Option D is correct here. Next question, human bird belong to a category called, its answer is option B, endotherm. Next question, radioactive isotope of uranium used to in nuclear bomb is, its answer is option A, 92U-235. Next question, human population growth is greatest in developing countries because, its answer is option B, the birth option A. Its correct option is option A, the birth rate is high in developing countries. Option A is correct here. Next question, which woody raw material is used for manufacture of paper pulp? And its answer is option B, poplar. Next question, rectified spirit contains alcohol about. Its answer is option B, 95%. Next question, which of the following elements is not present abundantly in Earth's crust? Its answer is option B. Option B is correct, radium. And the next question and the last question of this video is, the famous book Al-Qanun was written by the Muslim scientist. Its answer is option C, Abulisina. सो इट्स आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन सी। सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।